Every now and then we have cases where we get clients to do some things that cause some concerns, and so this is just for information only. But there are a couple things when you get involved in a case right away that you probably shouldn't do right off the bat. The first thing we get a lot of questions is, do we want clients talking to the insurance company? And I get calls from time to time from people saying, should I talk to the insurance adjuster that wants to ask me about my injuries, about my damages, about my lost work? And this is before they've even hired a lawyer. And so the advice I would give you if you're in that situation, if an insurance agent or insurance adjuster calls you and they want to ask about your accident, they want to ask about your injuries, things of that nature, you do not need to talk to the insurance adjuster at all. That's just something that they're going to want to get information. And I have said this before, what you say can and will be used against you in the future. And so if the insurance adjusters are calling and they're asking you questions, I advise that you don't. You do not need to talk to the insurance adjusters at all. Another thing that I always tell my clients, be very careful what you post on Facebook and what you post on social media about your accident. I had a client one time who claimed he was injured, claimed he couldn't work, claimed he couldn't do a lot of activities, but on social media, he had pictures of him flipping a snowmobile and doing flips at some big event in the winter carnival. And the insurance companies, believe it or not, they find ways to get that. And so we advise you not to post anything about your accident, not to post anything about you holding your kids or your grandkids or whatever it might be, because the insurance companies will pick up on that and it could adversely affect your case. And so our counsel is just don't post anything about you, about what's going on with the accident, you doing activities on social media, because that's something that can bite you in the rear end in the end. I hope that's been helpful. If you have any other questions, look us up.